Assalamualaikum and welcome to Azza Podcast. My name is Aziana binti Zamri Ali, your host for today. Today, I will share about the new topic, which is augmented reality technologies in manufacturing. First of all, I will give the meaning of topics today. According to the Gartner's IT Glossary website, augmented reality is the real-time use of information in the form of text, graphics, audio, and other enhancements integrated with the real-world object. The meaning of manufacturing technologies is a term that can refer to a number of modern methods of science, production, and engineering that exist in industrial production and various manufacturing processes. The function of augmented reality technologies in manufacturing is used to substitute paper manuals with digital instructions, makes machine maintenance efficient. Augmented reality can increase operators' feelings of safety when working near high-load industrial machines by giving operators additional information on machine status and safety functions. 5 benefits of using augmented reality AR technologies in manufacturing. First point is easy to eliminate defects in product manufacturing. In a product manufacturing process, find any error or any defect with augmented reality powered device with each equipment. You can save lots of times, efforts, and money during the manufacturing process and even get product with minimum errors. Second point is make maintenance easier. The management crew can be able to know which equipment requires servicing or warns you about any potential issues. Moreover, to keep a record of last service dates and recall it at exact time is not easy. AR in manufacturing enlightens the requirement of service and take the speculation out of the maintenance activity, which will permit quicker response and faster repairs. The third point is improve the product design and development process. The dynamic nature of AR exists in creating digital designs without having to create them physically. Thus, it makes the overall process simple, easy to access, less time consuming, and comfortable as the product has no use of being physically created unless it is finalized. A manufacturer's customer can get online advice anywhere. There are situations in complex equipment maintenance and repair that only an expert on the piece of equipment is able to solve. This operator can send remote image of what the operator viewing, so the expert will give the details of the technical problems and suggest an immediate solutions. The fourth point is acknowledgement and training becomes simple. One of the biggest issues throughout the newcomers in manufacturing directly. They are unaware of the procedures, protocols, and equipment that may lead to safety hindrances. To maintain the safety protocols, augmented reality describes everything to the novice and enable them to understand the overall process. They will get the important terminology information of their job, including how, what, when, and why. A worker can view a piece of equipment and see its running temperature, disclosing that the equipment is hot and unsafe to touch with bare hands. 3D models of equipment and machines play a crucial role in training. Its application becomes broader and able to remote training to get training anywhere across the world. It will save times and costs. The last point is assembly tasks becomes easier. With the augmented reality application, you will be able to visualize the part of the equipment and their details to assemble and 3D hologram instructions. The technology also provides all the information about the steps requirements for the manufacturing and designing process. With the augmented reality, logistic workers could check a connected system that tells them exactly where products and goods are. They could scan the necessary information which will help to decimate the order. Then the worker will retrieve the product and delivers it to the proper locations. Now, I will share the challenges of augmented reality technologies in manufacturing. Okay, the first point is limited content. One of the major challenges is creating engaging content. However, creating content that can promote business can be extremely complicated and expensive. Augmented reality developers have not created enough high functions that can be used by consumers on a daily basis. The second point is public skepticism. Consumers have only used the most popular application of augmented reality. Therefore, consumers need to be informed about various applications and benefits of augmented reality. A lack of awareness may lead to concerns about the privacy and security while using of augmented reality technology. Hence, users' concerns need to be addressed to accelerate the mainstream deployment. The third point is physical safety risk. Augmented reality application can be immensely distracting and may lead to physical injuries. The fourth point of challenges is hardware issue. Every augmented reality headset is a bulky piece of hardware that may be too expensive for the masses. Augmented reality headset need to be tethered to a computer, making the entire experience limited and inconvenient. Alternatively, consumers can use their smartphone or tablets for augmented reality application. However, mobile augmented reality faces major issues in displaying visual accurately. Mobile scanners such as accelerometer can be disturbed by electric interference, which is commonly witnessed in urban areas. Additionally, smartphone cameras are built for 2D image capture and are incapable of rendering 3D images. The hardware required for augmented reality technology need to be enhanced before mass adoption. The last point is lack of regulations. Currently, there are no regulations that help business and consumers understand which type of augmented reality application can be used and how data can be processed. Hence, the technology can be used with malicious intent. For instance, a cyber criminal can hijack personal accounts by mining data output and manipulating augmented reality content. In such cases, consumers may have questions like how to avoid such incidents in the future. Hence, one of the significant challenges of augmented reality is creating regulations that can ensure the privacy and security of consumers' data, as well as simplify mainstream adoption of the technology. The conclusion that I make of this topic is augmented reality in the manufacturing industry has a broad capability. The augmented reality power, tools, and equipment used during the entire product life cycle will be very beneficial. Along with the process enhancements benefits, its use includes cost effectiveness, time saving, scalability, and completely worthy to give a try in a production line. Every aforementioned augmented reality in manufacturing use case proves that technology provides reliable solutions to crucial problems in the process and improve its key steps, bringing immense benefits almost immediately. Unsurprisingly, the adoption of augmented reality grows very quickly of the technology in manufacturing. Thank you for listening my sharing today. So, it will be the last of being your host for today.